cold pipe cutter MCA represents a unique example of versatility thanks to its lightweight and wide working range from 1 to 43 inches. Its aluminium frame has reduced dimensions and can be split into 2 halves to allow easier positioning and use by a single operator. MCA pipe cutter can be equipped with a range of tools and accessories that expand its functionality and allow to carry out a variety of different operations. The first step is to measure the pipe OD and then use the locking chart as reference to identify the correct set of locking feet necessary to secure the machine on the pipe. The locking feet and their seat are designed with a male-female system to ease the installation. Position every foot matching the screw holes and use the screws to secure them in place. By carefully positioning the locking feet and ensuring the screw holes are aligned before fastening, you'll achieve a secure and stable installation. Find the correct position of the machine on the pipe and tighten the feet, making sure to keep it square with the pipe once it's secured on it. The locking feet should all be extending equally lengthwise. Install the motor and make sure the teeth of the pinion and those of the crown are engaging correctly and fix it in place. Finally, connect the motor to the power source. Start the machine and bring the seats of the tool holder on the horizontal axis. Set the toolbox leaving a clearance of about 5 mm from the pipe OD. The distance is enough to allow eventual shavings to fall without getting entangled and enough to not touch the pipe OD in case of ovality. Insert the tool in the toolbox, fasten the screws, and repeat the operation with the other tool. Be sure the tools are installed in the very same position and fasten the safety screw on both the toolboxes. The striker can be installed in 4 different positions. Just make sure the striker intercepts the toolbox star wheel and leave a 5 mm clearance between the pipe OD and the tools so that in case of ovalization, they won't dig too deep in the pipe wall as they may get the blade damaged. It's time to start the machine. Set the rotation at slow speed and move the tools closer to the pipe. When both tools are in proximity of the pipe wall, the rotation speed can be slightly increased. As the tools touch the pipe, they will immediately produce a groove and shavings. You can now engage and disengage the striker to intercept the toolbox carrying the forward tool, and if allowed, lubricant should be applied on the groove. Just before the tools cut through the pipe, a bulge in the pipe ID will become visible. At this point, the rotation speed must be decreased to avoid any possible damage during the separation of the pipe sections. In case of tools for simultaneous cut and bevel, the machine must be let running with the striker engaged until the wanted bevel land is reached. Now the striker can be disengaged and the machine must be let running until no shavings are produced. Various types of tools are available for different processes. G.B.C. Industrial Tools recommends the use of the required PPE at all times when using our products.